You know what, Cthulhu? Because you're fucking stupid, and I love you, that's okay. Don't worry, I am too. Instead of actually, doing, giving you the recipe, I'm making so many fucking dishes. I'm just gonna cook it right in front of your eyes. So you don't want a pot? So this is a pot. It's a pot. It's a pot. So, fill it with cold water. You don't want too much. Just enough so that the potato will stay submerged. And also, fuck, this pot isn't goddamn big enough. I need something more. This is too wet. Fuck me. Don't follow my tutorial if you want to live. I'm a terrible cook, okay? The fact that I even made this is pure luck. So we're gonna use this one. Look at its curvature. It's a pot. Or a cum bin with handle, as my friends in college used to say. I was the slave in the college house. I've never gone to college before. Okay. So you take it, it's full of water, right? Pop it on the stove. Of course, bottom right burner, gang. Remember, keep it in like this, so it's stupid children. I'm looking at you, Kyler, even though he's not there. Here, can't go, whee! And then splash himself with boiling hot water. But if you hate them, just leave it like this, so that they fucking burn themselves. But if you care, like this, it's safer anyway. Less chance of you going, oh, pfft, and then fucking it all up. So then you go into your pantry, get your dirty ass russet potatoes. They don't actually have to be dirty, but russets work best for this. Get in on the action right there. Be failing to take off a fucking bread clip! Or whatever they call those. For this demonstration, I'm gonna take 2 potatoes. Fuck. Not because I'm making 2, but just in case I fuck up. Because that's what you like to hear in your tutorial. Yeah, this is a step-by-step tutorial, but I might do it twice in case I accidentally fuck it up. God fucking damn it. Ah! I'm sorry, I just really fucking hate this thing. Honestly, this invention was, great and all, but I fucking hate it, and it deserves to burn in hell, along with everything I've ever said in my life. Every idea I've ever had that also belongs in the deep fiery pit. But anyway, find, a medium-sized russet potatoes, medium to small. Leave them there on the counter. Make sure they get nice and dirty. Don't do that. Why am I so out of fucking breath? Jesus. Put it on, something like that. I don't know. Oh, burner on. That's usually a good sign. Whoop! So, what you could do is you could put the potato in and let the temperature rise. But, I mean, it cooks more evenly that way. My phone's running out of battery. Whatever, I probably won't make this a 2-part. So anyway, you wait for this to boil. I'll just, jump cut to when it's done. Okay, so welcome back. Bigger. So here's how you put it in. Okay, so it went in safely. Okay, very simple, very good. You don't dip your fingers in. It might look nice, but it'll fucking burn you. Hello. Look, there's someone waving back. It's the little orf that I shoved inside that potato, begging and screaming for help, the bastard. You're not getting out, dipshit! So anyway. Haha. Yeah, I'm cool, guys. What do you mean I'm not cool? So anyway, you put this in here for a little bit. This is when you might want to start getting your pan ready. So So for a pan, you want a nice clean one. And grab your parchment paper. Now remember, you don't need the parchment paper good or anything. You just need the paper. So once you got like a good strip or whatever that you can kind of just lay it there. Here. Ow! Fuck! Oh shit, this does have the sharp thingy. It's just hard to see, so I ended up cutting myself open. Yeah, this is professional grade. If that catches on fire, so help me fucking Christ. I guess I can make like double, even though. Okay, so you really only watch this video to see how to take the potato out. So here's my method. First, you find a clean knife. Okay, I'll actually get a clean knife for this, because I'm not stupid. And now, normally the way you can tell if shit's cooked is if you can slip a knife in, go all the way through, and when it slides off. So how you'll know that you've cooked mine to perfection is when it doesn't fucking slide off. Because remember, we're not cooking this fully. We're only, like, partially cooking it. Why? I don't fucking know. Fuck, that's hot. Brief intermission. Yeah, so anyway, just stab it and take it out. So next, you'll, cut it. You want to be as clean as possible. So, on the fucking countertop. This one is shit, because it's the end there. You see the shit? Next, you start making your cuts. 1, 2. Make them as thick or as thin as you want them. You want something crispy and thin? That's fine. Just don't make this. I'm just kidding. These are fine, as long as they don't burn to a crisp. Which they very well fucking might. Make them thick. If you make them thick, they'll be less crunchy. If you make them more thin, they'll be more crunchy. So, of course, go as thick as possible. At least when you're choosing dick. When it comes to these fucking potatoes, I don't know. Do whatever you want, I guess. So then you take this end bit here, you fucking sever it, fucking poke it right through, gut it. Do the exact same thing to the other one. Try not to cut yourself in the process. Then you just do this for no fucking reason, then you throw these in the garbage because you didn't need to do that. So anyway, then you throw all these back on the plate. Those are definitely dirty. Anyway, I put the next potato in. So those are gonna sit there, get nice. I'm gonna like get my parchment paper right here and start just slapping these on. Because why not, right? Now, since I'm putting extra on, I'm gonna cook these for like 17 minutes. So I get an extra 2 minutes of cook time. Because you gotta be good with these, right? No. Please no. So anyway, once that's cooked for like literally any period of time, like there's nothing to that at all. So then you take it, let it drip for a second, boom, on. Just fucking wiggle it. That was definitely the best idea. So anyway, nor any disturbances as you wait for this one to cool down. This one's probably cooled down enough, so if I burn myself, it's my fault. Take off the end here. Luckily, this is a smaller end piece. The end of this one, smaller end piece. Boom. This is all good, usable potato. So then, just cut the strips, or pieces. Again, thick or thin, however you like them. Or however they want to fucking cut, because sometimes they're bitches. Look at that, so thin it's see-through. Sometimes that's what you want, you know? You want to literally be able to see through the fucking potato. And see through the lies the government's been feeding you. Vaccines cause autism, suck my dick. Anyway. You know, I actually was never told how to properly use a knife. I just saw Gordon Ramsay cut shit a bunch of times, and I'm like, I could do that. And then I'm like, holy fuck, you should stop. You're gonna cut off your finger. And I'm like, no, I have fucking food to make. So then you just lay them out. You don't want them, like, all bunched on top of each other. But, like, if they're right next to each other, that's fine. They'll only fuck up the cooking process entirely. Not really, don't worry about it. Actually, I know nothing about food, so anything I say in this video, take it with a grain of salt, or don't if you have high blood pressure, because salt's bad for you. What the fuck is wrong with me? Okay, so then you take your pan. Now, if you're doing just one russet potato, I should probably take this off the stove. Since this is boiling hot, leave it right here so you can burn yourself alive. Don't. Here, then I have the thing you see in like all the fucking Gordon Ramsay videos, this fucking thing. My mom bought it, and it's amazing because you can just whoop. And like, look, I'm a professional chef. That's definitely too much. Whatever, it'll only make it taste horrifically worse. Okay, now, a signature with these is a lot of fucking salt. You're gonna salt these 2 times. Before going in, so that they have a salty flavor throughout. This also helps us cook with cooking, not really. It's come to my attention that we're out of fucking salt. Well, except for, like, the bits on the end here. Yeah, I can just make that work. Yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna, like, drain this hot water real quick. I'm gonna pour it, why not? Oh, bleed! So now these are ready. Next, off, click on, well, bake. Till you get 425. Now you just click start, and it'll start preheating. Now I'm gonna do a jump cut to when it fucking beeps, so I can put it in. Okay, it hasn't beeped yet, but I realized just put your things in for 15 minutes. Then, once they're done cooking, you take them out, let them sit for a little bit, hit them with some more salt if you got any. Trust me, it's good. And, yeah, then you're done. Easy as that. Fuck you, and don't cook any of my food ever. I'm just kidding. It's actually pretty good. Try it. That's been Cooking with Queer, episode 3. Goodbye. Fuck you, America.